Right, this is the new drill press. It's a bit bigger than I expected. On a we've got a nice storage here for the drill bits and Forstner bits and stuff, and additional content. And then this is a dog hole assembly table, which is designed to go on top of the workbench. And really, the goal here is to get something flat for for playing and glue ups and stuff like that. And then the dog holes give you a nice kind of parallel sort of structure for working around. Let's take this here. Got a wood vise here on the end. You can get those all up and level, ready to work on pieces.